Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I'm excited to share with you I'm back in LA. I'm back at one of my favorite hotels. This is Hilton Universal City, and I wanted to share this room with you because while I've stayed here several times, this is a different style of room and one that you might want to select if you're traveling with family or kids or whatnot, because this hotel sits right above Universal Studios. So it's a great hotel if you're traveling with your family and plan to go to the parks. And as you can see, this is a king-size room, king-size bed, and it also has this really nice pull-out sofa sleeper. So I really love the layout of this room. And I'm going to give you a peek at the other thing that makes this so exciting. I always talk about views. They're always worth asking for. I'm a Hilton Diamond member, so I always ask for an upgrade if it's possible. It's definitely one of the perks of being a Diamond member. As you can see, beautiful view of the valley here. And then over on this side, if we move the curtain back, you can see a view of Universal Studios and City Walk. So this room is a win-win. You've got kind of just a little bit of everything. You can see over there to the park. You can see Harry Potter. Kind of cool. And then you can also see really what a quick walk that is. I mean, it's literally just 5 minutes away. So great location, great hotel. As you can see, nice sized room here. Like the convenience, love the view. Television set. You've got a refrigerator in the room, which is really nice, especially if you're traveling with kids and families, so that you can go back and forth between the park. And this is close enough to where you could go over, come back for naps, and then go back again for the evening. You can also watch some of the nighttime activities and shows. They have a lot of fire shows, fireworks, things like that that you might enjoy. This is a peek at the bathroom. It's huge, and I love it. Nice bathtub. Really nice shower. And then you've got all your amenities. And I love the crab tree in Evelyn. I always call that out in Hilton's because I really enjoy that product. But this is a really nice sized bathroom. Really nice sized room. And I think I mentioned that we're on the 20th floor here. But these are things that you want to ask about when you travel to destinations like this, especially with families, so that you know what you're getting into, you know what you can bring. Get your little coffee area there and what you'll be able to do in the room and how close it is to everything. This one is close to everything. You can walk over to restaurants, shopping, and then you're a really quick ride to Hollywood. So many things you can see from here. But anyway, there you go. Here's a look again at my room here at the Hilton Universal City. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.